Izibalo zikhomba ukuthi amacala okubulala ehle ngo-751 kulesigamu sesibili sonyaka uma kuqhathaniswa nesikhathi esifanayo esedlule.
We have recorded 751 less murders compared to the previous period. In the previous period, we had 6,545. Currently, we are at 5,794.
Amacala okulukubeza ngokocansi wona ehlile.
We have recorded decreases in terms of the rapes, 32 counts, 37 counts less, and sexual assault, 12 counts less. We then recorded increases in terms of attempted sexual offenses, 50 counts more, and contact sexual offenses, 21 counts more.
Zimbili ifundazwe eyibike ukwenyuka kobugebengu obunobudlova.
We only had recorded increases in 2 provinces, which is the province of the Northern Cape with 146 counts and the Western Cape with 183 counts more.
I-Western Cape kanye neKwaZulu Natal izona ifundazwe ihamba phambili ngeziteshi zamaphoyisa eyibike ubugebengu obuphezulu obunobudlova.
Top 5 stations for the contact crimes are made up of only 2 provinces, that is your Western Cape and KwaZulu Natal. And 4 of the top 5 stations are in the province of the Western Cape and only 1 from the province of KwaZulu Natal.
Ukhashalya wembula amaqhinga amasha okulwisana nobugebengu bemgulukudu ezweni jikelele. Uthi lolu hlelo luzodinga ukuthi amaphoyisa asebenze ngokuyikhandla.
We now do have an integrated strategy which is well resourced to fight the scourge of gang violence in the Western Cape, Eastern Cape, Gauteng, and KwaZulu-Natal.
Ibamba likaNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa lithi ubufakazi obuvela eKhomishaneni kaMadlanga kanye naseKomitini lasePhalamende lesikhashana eliphenya izinsolo zenkohlakalo ku-SAPS bomqoka eqinisekiseni ubulungiswa emacaleni obugebengu kuleli.
I'm positive that both the Madlanga Commission and the Ad Hoc Commission, Parliamentary Inquiry, are going to help us establish a public record, a consensus in our society about what needs to be done going forward.
Imininingwane yezibalo zobugebengu zesigamu sokuqala sonyaka iyatholakala kuwebsite yamaphoyisa.